Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how can you open JSON file on your computer. So for doing the same, you have to download a software. So go to Microsoft Store, and now here on the Microsoft Store, on the search bar, search here JSON viewer. So now here you can see many softwares are showing. Now click on this and now click on get to download the software on your computer. So by using this software, JSON viewer, you can view JSON files on your computer. So this is preparing to download. This will take a few seconds according to your internet speed to download. So just wait to finish the downloading. So here you can see it is downloaded. Now by clicking on open, you can launch the software. So here you can see it is launched. Now by using this, you can view the files. Thank you. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.